Let's talk about germs. Yay! There are several types of germs, and two of the main ones are bacteria and viruses. These two germs are very different. Both can make you sick, but some of them can actually make you healthy. Bacteria are living cells. They eat, move around, reproduce, and do a lot of things other larger living things do, like you. Viruses, on the other hand, are tiny pieces of genetic code that literally hack cells and reprogram them to make more viruses. So you see, these are very different types of germs. Some of the bacteria actually help us. For example, a lot of bacteria that live in our intestines help us break down the foods that we eat into stuff that we can digest. These bacteria are our friendly food-digesting army. But there are also bad bacteria that can make us sick. They can infect our throats and make it hurt, or they can infect our lungs and make us cough. When you have a bacterial infection, your doctor might prescribe you an antibiotic. Antibiotic literally means bacteria killer. These bacteria killers kill every kind of bacteria, and the stronger the antibiotic, the more the bacteria die. You should take an antibiotic if a doctor says you have an infection from the bad bacteria, aka a bacterial infection. But if you don't have a bacterial infection and you take antibiotics anyway, that's not good. Now, there are two problems with taking too many antibiotics. The first problem is that you may start killing the good bacteria that help you stay healthy. The second problem is that the bad bacteria start to learn how to resist antibiotics. Even from just one course of antibiotics, this can lead to the birth of a super bacteria in your body that can hurt you and resist all antibiotics. That would not be good. So here's what you need to keep in mind. Antibiotics are for killing bad bacteria. Only take them when you have a bad bacterial infection. A common cold is not a bacterial infection. It's a viral infection. Antibiotics do nothing to help you get better when you have a cold. Same with the flu. A flu is caused by the influenza virus, not bacteria. The best that you can do when you have a viral infection is to treat the symptoms and wait for your own body's immune system to fend off the viruses. So next time you feel like you have a cold and feel like you really need to do something to heal yourself, remember that antibiotics don't cure viral illnesses. And in fact, taking too many antibiotics can be bad for you in the short term and put all of mankind in danger of a superbug in the long term. Don't endanger humanity. Before taking antibiotics, ask your doctor about your other treatment options. To learn more, visit us at carolinashealthcare.org/germs.